Hello and welcome to CAD Maniac. Autodesk has launched AutoCAD LT 2023 version. So this tutorial is about downloading and installing AutoCAD LT 2023, as well as I'll tell about AutoCAD LT 2023's price, that is what is needed for AutoCAD LT subscription, and for learning AutoCAD submission sheet in details, install CAD Maniac app from Google Play Store, link given below. So to download AutoCAD LT 2023, click on link provided in the description section below. If you have a student account, click on sign in and sign in with your credentials. If you don't, then create one. Video linked in the I button on how to create Autodesk student account, what documents you have to upload. Then click on Get Autodesk Software, scroll down, click on Get Product under AutoCAD LT. There is AutoCAD LT for Mac as well. So here it is, AutoCAD LT 2023 version. So just click on install and accept the terms. Setup file will be downloaded. It's 10.9 MB. Then just click on it. Change the path if you want. Then click on install. So it will take some time to install. Meanwhile, also from where you can buy AutoCAD LT. What is AutoCAD LT's price? So just type AutoCAD LT in the search bar. Click on AutoCAD LT subscribe or AutoCAD LT buy. Get into this tab to buy AutoCAD LT. Here you can check AutoCAD LT's pricing. So it has been installed successfully. Now launch AutoCAD LT 2023. Cancel the migration settings if you don't want to migrate. So here it is, AutoCAD LT 2023 version. So that's it for this video guys. Bye bye.